Want to know how to add an AI assistant to your site using WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up WordPress.com and make sure you are under your site dashboard as well. Now, once you're there, here you can just simply select post or pages. Anything works. The steps are same. So you can just simply select existing post or page, or you can just simply create one. Now once your page has opened, here you can see this plus icon on the left side. This is the block inserter. Now once the block inserter opens, since we want AI assistant, you can just simply scroll down a little bit and it should be under text. So just simply select AI assistant, and once that is done, a block should open up on your current page. So right here you can just simply write anything, give it a prompt, etc., and it will work. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.